not your time. If you do good, good will follow you.